We're here at the Haunted Ghost Tracks. We're Night Angels. Michelle here with cameraman and husband Steven.
What's up?
We saw that there's offerings for the children. Here are the dolls, the offerings, and we wanted to come and check if they were active. So we are gonna ramp up the EMF and the cat balls, see what happens, guys.
Yeah, right now we're recording. So I used a voice recorder.
Not yet. We're gonna put one cat ball on top here by the flowers. Atlantic. Here. Let's see what happens, guys. Are the kids from the
So I used the.
Are the kids from the train tracks, the accident, you guys still here? Can you make the EMF go off? Or the cat balls?
If there's any amount of kids, can you show us that you're around here? Can you make this light turn go to red? Because here you could communicate with us and let us know that you're here. If you need energy, you can use the energy from the phone to help you spike that EMF. And if you want, we have a recorder, a voice recorder, that you could talk with us. If you want to communicate with us with this, make the light turn red if it's possible, or make any of those little cat balls that we right now put to like let us know that you want to communicate with us. And yeah, right now we'll turn on this EMF just in case you all want to communicate with us. Let me see. We're gonna record. Okay, I'm recording now. If there's any kids around this location, can you let us know the amount? It's right now recording.
Do you still try to help other people that come here? Is that your sign of people trying to help you survive what happened to you?
When the accident happened, was it quick or was it slow? Because we won't understand your pain, but if you want to talk about it and let people know on what you felt, yes, it was really bad, but there's people out there showing some support and love because they're giving you some offerings. they're like thanking you for pushing the cars on the railroads. Like when you're helping them.
Look at the.
Mm.
While you are here, you wanna let yourself know we're gonna be at the tracks, so you can come and play with these little balls, cat balls. We're walking over to the tracks. Here at the tracks, you can see. I'm gonna set this up right here. Holy, how
Yeah, let's
is
see.
that?
Let me see. I know it's spiking because of the energy that comes on the tracks. Oh, it's going blurry. Yeah, because it's gain the energy from the railroads.
Put them on
Let me see.
in the middle. Put it up.
I just want to stand up.
I'll stand it up.
You heard footsteps, right?
Yeah.
I heard some footsteps right there.
Hello? There we go. It up. Yeah, I need to turn it that way and.
No, that's fine. That's fine right there.
Put that one over there.
Let me put it at least over here. Okay. The ball started rolling all around. I put it down and it started like. Or coming? Okay, Legion. Right now we're at the beginning of the where the railroad track starts when they start pushing the cars. Hopefully we get something right here. Okay, I know you kids love helping the cars that are stranded. If it's possible,
Car coming.
if, if it's possible, can you turn these on? Imagine the ball is a vehicle. Can you start
play
moving?
with the objects? And if you do, next time we come, I'll bring you a doll as an offering. Can you spike them? I promise. We promise that we'll bring a doll as a peace offering.
Sure, I try to see how what we get with the.
Yeah.
Gonna record. Okay, I'm recording now. If there's any kids around this location, can you let us know the amount?
What?
Yeah. We're in a recording.
Do you still try to help other people that come here? Is that your sign of people trying to help you survive what happened to you?
When the accident happened,
When I
Was it
said the thing,
quick?
that's the pause, and then I heard
slow.
I heard,
We won't understand your pain.
a,
But if you want to talk about it,
like
let
a,
people know on what you felt. Yes, it was really bad, but there's people out there showing some support and love because they're giving you some offerings. They're like thanking you for pushing the cars on the railroads, like when you're helping them.
that's me talking. We're gonna be at the tracks. So you can come and play with these little balls. Have fun. That's us walking.
Yeah. Spiking because of the energy that comes on the track.
When you're talking, behind your voice, you hear whisper. I can make out what is his, but you hear whisper.
Gain the energy from the railroads.
You hear that like a.
Yeah. I didn't know.
Huh? Well, Legions, it was a great opportunity to investigate the railroads. We definitely caught something on the EVPs. Um, if you heard anything, saw anything, or if you felt something, as you know, some spirits can go through the spectrals of the cameras and the TVs. Let us know in the comments below. That was it for tonight. And like always, everybody, stay spooky.